Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how the agentic AI works and how to create the tools sign up for the agentic AI. Before getting into the agentic AI sign up, we just need to understand a generative AI and the agentic AI. So generative AI will usually generate a content or any kind of images that we prompt to the LLMs like ChatGPT, Grok, Google Gemini. There are a lot of things. But in generative AI, a human intervention is required as a prompting. So we have to type the prompt to the AI, and we have to give the tone, we have to give other guidelines, sample, and so many things, and we will get the output from the learning models. But the difference in agentic AI is we in the sense like human intervention is not required, because instead of human prompting, the agent will do all the tasks that we assign to them. Okay, so in the recent days, agentic AI is one wide popular, and a lot of automation industries are moving towards the agentic AI. There are many tools available in the agentic AI, but in this video I'm going to show one specific tool which is called as N8N. Okay, so this N8N website gives us flexible AI workflow automation with the help of the available nodes inbuilt in the website. So let us see how the login, sign up, and the credential creation in the N8N website, because N8N is one tool which supports for a agentic AI automation, right? So this is the home page which I'm showing here, and I can also show, like, just type N8N in the Google, and you will find the N8N Automated Workflow Automation is the first page. Like, you can click that and the home page will take you here. So there are a lot of introduction about the N8N product overview, integration, templates, AI use cases are there. We could study the use cases to understand how an AI works, and also documentation. So I can run this N8N tool in two modes. One is like direct sign up, and I can work for a 14 days of trial. And the second mode is like I can run the N8N as a local host, and I could even work for it for initial preparation. So I recommend not to go for a local host, just go for a 14 days of trial. So once we understand all the process and connections, workflow in that, then we could go for a local host and run for it. So there are community pages which we can get event, support, creators, contributors, and a lot of things. And the pricing is also there. As I mentioned, I am going to show you how to create a credential for a 14 days of trial, and also I'll show you how the inbuilt frames of N8N tools in this video. Right. So to sign up, there are two options here. One is sign in, another one is get started. Because this is first time I'm creating the login, so I need not to go for a sign in. I just click get started. Okay. So once I click the get started, so the N8N website will ask me for my full name. So I just giving my name, and they're asking me company email. I have created company email as a demo email for creating a login.com, and again I have to confirm it. I have to confirm my email ID. So I'm just typing. Then I have to create a password for the agentic AI N8N, and also an account name. Okay, so now I'm creating account name as CLT. All right, because this account name is one important thing. So whenever we try to sign in N8N portal, the portal will ask us the cloud space account name. So we have to remember this account name, and I'm just clicking yes, keep with the constant important, and I'm creating start 14 days of trial. Right. Yes. So so it was created, and once the sign up was done, N8N will ask us a little bit of survey to understand what we really look for. Now I'm just saying like what is the size of your company. I'm just saying only me, and what team are you in? Product, design, support, IT, sales, engineering. So I'm just clicking other and I'm typing into education. I'm just clicking OK. And what describes your company? It's an education sector. And which of the following do you feel too comfortable doing? I just give any option over here. Let me put setting up a webhook, or I can select multiple, whatever I'm looking for. I could click multiple and say OK. And how did you hear about N8N? I just heard N8N from my friends, and I don't find option here. Yeah, I found friend or word of mouth. So once I submit, yeah, so this N8N will ask us invite team members to your workspace. This is just for the collaboration. Let's if I'm working with a team, I could add my teammate email ID. Otherwise, I could just click skip, and I can move on directly into the portal. Yeah, now the workspace is ready, and we could just start automatic on the portal. I'm just clicking the start automatic. Yeah, my system is getting right. So once we create all the sign up process, and this is the home page of the N8N website. Okay, so we could see the execution, we could see the failure rate, we could see the time saved, we could see create workflow, and here is an option to start from scratch. So there are already pre-built agents are here. Okay, I could just click and see all the pre-built agent, and here the buttons are there. So this buttons could help me. What are the provisions over here? Admin panels, templates, variables, insights, and a lot of things. Once you start to work on it, you will understand the functionalities of each one. So now, as a beginner, I just want to start from the scratch. If you're not a beginner, just try a pre-built agent and work for it. So let me click the start from the scratch. So automatically my editor page will come, and I will have all the options here. And I have editor, I could see execution, I can see the evaluation, right. So this is how we have to set up our creation. Thank you.